The much
Subscribe.
anticipated 2025 KTM RC 390 has officially launched, and it's packed with exciting upgrades that are sure to thrill motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into all the details about this newly updated bike that's set to redefine the entry-level sports bike segment. Welcome back to Bike Rider. Let's talk about what makes this bike stand out. Design and styling. The 2025 KTM RC 390 boasts a sharper, more aggressive look than ever before. With redesigned bodywork and a more aerodynamic fairing, the new RC 390 has a streamlined, race-inspired aesthetic. The angular lines and bold KTM branding scream performance, and the new LED headlamp gives it an even more futuristic and intimidating presence on the road. Performance upgrades. Under the hood, the 2025 RC 390 comes with a 373cc, liquid-cooled engine that delivers a significant boost in power and torque. The engine is now paired with a better-equipped electronics package, including ride modes, traction control, and improved throttle response. The updated suspension and brakes promise enhanced handling and stability, making it an even more fun and responsive ride. Technology and features. One of the most notable updates is the new TFT display, which brings all the essential riding data right at your fingertips. It's now Bluetooth-enabled, allowing you to connect your smartphone for calls, music, and navigation. The bike also comes with improved ergonomics, offering better comfort for longer rides. Conclusion. The 2025 KTM RC 390 is truly a masterpiece in the making. With its aggressive design, improved performance, and cutting-edge tech, it's sure to dominate the streets. So, if you're considering upgrading your ride, this might just be the bike for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Bike Rider for more updates on the latest in the world of motorcycles.